Hello, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make black seed oil. Yes, this black seed oil is a very powerful oil to have. Black seed oil is good for your health and skin. It helps to reduce inflammation. It's good for the heart. It helps with brain. It helps to strengthen the bone. Black seed is a very powerful oil. So to make our black seed oil, we need black seeds. So black seeds are these tiny seeds. They are so black in color. I've made a video where I talked so much about these seeds. I gave you, I explained in that video several health benefits of black seeds. Okay, so we'll be blending our black seed. So I'll be pouring this in my coffee or spice blender, and I'm measuring 4 tablespoons. I have 3 there already, then 1 more. So this is 4 tablespoons of black seeds. Okay, so we are going to grind this into smooth powder, though not very smooth, but at least we're going to grind it into black seed powder. Okay, so I say a very big welcome to you. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. On this channel I share remedies, okay, natural remedies to health issues. I share DIYs, how you can make things to help your health, how you can prepare a lot of things at home that will benefit your health and your skin beauty as well. So do well to subscribe, and please give this video a like and share with your friends. You never can tell who you will be helping. So black seed is packed with a lot of health benefits. Okay, in fact, it is known as this seed that can cure all ailments except death. Yes, it is known to cure all ailments. In fact, if you're having any health issue, just include black seed in your daily meal and you'll see the difference. So in a glass jar, I would transfer my black seed powder. You can see how it is looking now from that very black seeds, and now it is having some whitish things in it. So these are the things inside the black seed. So I'm transferring my black seed into a glass jar. So bear in mind that it has to be glass, please, because this seed is very powerful. So if you put it in a plastic container, it can interact with the plastic. Okay, so right here I have my carrier oil. So the carrier oil I'm using is olive oil. So olive oil has a lot of health benefits, okay, and that is why I'm using it. So you can use any carrier oil of your choice. So I'm going to add this into my black seed. So the measurement for this oil I'm using is 1 cup. 1 cup. So I just want to add it gradually. Okay, so I added some black seed powder in the jar, and I poured in some of my olive oil, and I'm shaking it thoroughly. So I'm going to also add the rest of the black seed powder and the rest of the olive oil. Remember, I measured 4 spoons of black seed. Okay, yeah, the black seed, when it was not grinded yet, I measured 4 spoons, and I'm using 1 cup of olive oil. So you can use any other healthy oil, okay, like coconut oil, almond oil, or any other healthy oil of your choice. Okay, so I'm just putting all my black seed powder into the jar, and I'm mixing the olive oil. So I'm just mixing everything gradually so that we would have a very nice mixture there. Okay, so we want it to mix thoroughly. So I'll be adding all the black seeds. Okay, so take note of the measurements I stated here, because we want it to be concentrated. Yes, we are making black seed oil, so we want it to be very, very concentrated, so that when you're making use of this oil, you would know that you're making use of black seed oil. Okay, so this is a very powerful oil. The black seed benefits plus the benefits from the olive oil, you have a very powerful oil that is beneficial to your health, your overall health, and skin health as well, because black seed oil is good for your heart. It helps to reduce obesity. It's good for bone health, and when it comes to skin, it helps to treat eczema. It helps to treat acne. It's also good for treating dandruff. Okay, so I'll be telling you the health benefits of black seed oil as we progress. Okay, so right now I am mixing the oil thoroughly, so you make sure you mix it thoroughly, and I'm going to keep this in my shelf for at least 2 weeks. Okay, so this oil is cold press, and this is the best form or the best way to prepare your black seed oil, the cold press. For hot press, people usually put it on boiling water, but for me, I prefer to make the cold press. Okay, so the way it is right now, I place it in my shelf for at least 2 weeks. So guys, it's 2 weeks already, and this is the oil. So while it was in my shelf, I shake it every day, just like the way I'm showing you. Okay, I shake it every day like this to make sure that the oil mix up and is infused. Make sure that the black seed powder is infused into the oil. Yes, so right now, like I said, it's 2 weeks already, so I'm going to strain my oil. So I'm using organza fabric, so you can use cheesecloth or any fabric at all that can strain your oil. Okay, so this very fabric I'm using is called organza fabric, so it is very nice. So I'm just going to use it now to strain the oil. So you can see our black seed oil. This is powerful. This is wonderful. So this oil here is a very, very powerful oil. This is something you should have at home. And please give this video a like if you haven't done that up till now. Please like the video and share with your friends. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload a beautiful video such as this, you would be notified. Okay, on this channel I share remedies to health issues. Yes, natural remedies, and you can go through my channel to see more videos. I share DIYs, how to make your own oils at home, how to prepare a lot of things that can help keep you and your family healthy, and I know that is what you would love. So please subscribe if you haven't done that already, and like the video, okay, so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. So right now I am straining the oil, as you can see. So you can actually use your hand to do this. Yes, you can use your hand to do this, but make sure your hands are clean and dry. You don't want to get water into this, but I decided to just use this thing to press it. So I'm going to press it hard to make sure that I get the oils out. Okay, so you can press it with your hand to get your oils out. So guys, hope you are enjoying this video. Please give it a like I said, and subscribe if you haven't done that. Okay, so black seed oils are good. You can use black seed oil on your hair. You can use it on your skin to treat skin issues such as eczema, acne, hyperpigmentation, and different skin issues. You can also use it to treat dandruff when you apply it on your hair, and it is an excellent hair growth oil. Yes, black seed oil helps your hair to grow very fast and long. Okay, and when you ingest this oil, it helps to balance your hormones. Yes, it is good for those suffering from hormonal imbalance. Black seed oil is very, very good for you. Okay, it's also good for the heart. Yes, black seed oil is very good for the heart, so you can take black seed oil. So for the chaff, do not throw this away. Yes, this is very, very good for your skin, so you can use this as your scrub. You can use it as your scrub. Okay, you can also add it to your smoothie. Yes, you can just add like a teaspoon, a teaspoon of it to your smoothie. You can use it on your skin like this to scrub your skin. You can also use it on areas where you have issues on your skin like eczema and all that. So back to our oil. I'm going to store this oil in a glass bottle. Okay, please, in a glass bottle. Do not store this in plastic. Okay, so I'm going to just pour this in my glass bottle and store it. Okay, this can last for up to 6 months. Yes, even can last more than 6 months if well preserved. Yeah, because there's no water in it. Okay, so when you're blending your black seed, make sure black seed is very, very dry. Yes guys, this is our black seed oil. Yes, so like I said, you can ingest this. For me and my family, we take a teaspoon every morning. A teaspoon, because it is concentrated and it is very, very powerful. So if you're having any health issue, try this and you'll see difference. Okay, and for the chaff, you store it well and use it on your skin. You can add it to smoothie, and you can also add it to your skincare products. Okay, so if you're making soap, you can add this to your soap as well. So it is very, very good. So for this, I can just store it in this container. Okay, so here we have our black seed oil and our black seed chaff for our body scrub. Yes, so guys, I thank you for watching this video up to this time, and if you haven't subscribed up till now, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Okay, and also share with your friends. You never can tell who you might be helping. This is very good for those suffering from heart problem, diabetes, asthma, and arthritis. Yes, you can rub this on where you are having pains on your body. It has anti-inflammatory properties, okay, and antioxidant properties that helps get rid of free radicals from your body. It is very, very good for your skin as well. So this will help your skin glow and get rid of skin problems. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like I said, I share natural remedies on this channel, and things that can help you lose weight if you're struggling to lose weight, things that can keep you healthy and make your skin glow as well. All right, thank you for watching. I would love to see you in my next video. Remain blessed.